Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are comparing three of the most popular free project management tools: Monday.com, ClickUp, and Asana. If you are wondering which one is the best for your team or solo projects, stick around as we break down the key features, pros and cons, and who should use what. Let's start with a quick intro to each. Monday.com is known for its colorful visual interface and flexibility. It works for task management, CRM, and even content planning. ClickUp aims to be the everything apps. You get tasks, docs, Googles, chat, and more in one place. Asana is clean, easy to use, and has been around for a while. It's popular with marketing and operations teams for its simple task workflows. All three offer free plans, but what do they include? Monday.com free plan, up to 2 users, 3 boards, 500 megabyte storage, limited automations and views like Kanban and table. Good for basic use or trying it out solo. ClickUp free plan. Unlimited users, unlimited tasks, 100 MB storage, multiple views, list, board, calendar, Gantt, ton of features, but with some uses limits. Best free plan for teams needing more power. Asana plan, up to 15 users, unlimited projects and tasks, list and board view. No timeline or advanced reporting. Very intuitive and solid for team tasks tracking. Winner for value. ClickUp packs the most in their pre-plan, but Asana wins on ease of use. User interface and experience. Monday.com, beautiful color coded interface, drag and drop feels natural, might take time to configure out advanced features. ClickUp. ClickUp feature rich but has a steeper learning curve. You can customize everything, but it might feel overwhelming for beginners. Asana, clean and minimal, easy to navigate, perfect balance between power and simplicity. Best for beginners, Asana. Best for customization lovers, ClickUp. Most visually pleasing, Monday.com. Now, task management and views. Monday.com works like a spreadsheet with drag and drop boards, customizable columns for priority, status, owner, etc. Calendar, Kanban, and table view. ClickUp offers every view you can think of: Gantt, mind map, timeline, subtasks, checklists, goals. Powerful for complex workflows. Asana, simple task creation, dependencies and subtasks, list, calendar, and Kanban views. ClickUp offers the most features, but Monday and Asana are faster to grasp. Integration and collaboration. Monday.com integrates with Slack, Google Workspace, Google Workspace, Zoom, Outlook, limited on free plan, visual comment, system on items. ClickUp, huge list of integrations like Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, Zoom, built-in docs and chat make it a one-stop shop. Asana, Google Drive, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zapier, clean collaboration features, assign tasks, comment threads, winner here, ClickUp for built-in tools, Asana for smooth collaboration. Use case recommendations. Choose Monday.com if you want a visually beautiful workspace, your projects are simple or involve client-facing reports, you are okay with limited free user access. Choose ClickUp if you need depth and flexibility. You love customizing your workflows. You work in a team that needs everything in one place. Choose Asana if you want clean, reliable tasks management. You are new to project tools. Your team prioritizes simplicity and speed. Now, pros and cons. Monday.com pros, beautiful, colorful, and intuitive interface. Easy to visualize project status with custom boards. Great for individual freelancer, freelancers or small teams. Quick to learn for visual learners. Cons limited to only two users. Just three boards on the free plan. Basic features only, advanced views and automation require upgrades. Less ideal for complex workflows. ClickUp Pros. Unlimited users and tasks even on free plan. Massive feature set, tasks, docs, goals, dashboards, and more. Multiple views like Gantt, mind map, timeline. Great for managing complex projects or teams. Cons. Step learning curve for new users. Interface can feel crowded or overwhelming. Some tools are restricted unless you upgrade, like workload view. Work occasional performance lags due to heavy features. Asana, very clean, minimal, and beginner friendly. Up to 15 users. Free plan. On free plan. Simple and fast task tracking with subtasks and dependencies. Create mobile app and collaboration tools. Cons. No timeline view or reporting in the free version. Fewer advanced features compared to ClickUp. Less customization can feel too simple for power users or developers. So, what's the best project management tools? ClickUp gives you the most features and users great for teams that want depth. Asana offers the best balance of usability and function, perfect for beginners or small teams. Monday.com stands out for its polished look and is great for solo users or visual thinkers. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more comparison videos like this one. Thanks for watching.